Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. HTTPie is available on Ubuntu-based official repository. You can install it with the following command. To get the latest version, you can install it using the pip. Run the next commands. HTTPie is also available as a snap package. You can install it with the next command. After installation, verify the HTTPie is installed correctly by running the following command. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.